Hey everyone, I'm here today in my bathroom where I've just put in a new shower head, and I wanted to show you the process of doing it. It's really simple, really easy, and I just wanted to show it because I know, like, for myself, plumbing's always been something I've been a little bit hesitant to tackle. It's always something that's been a little bit mysterious and not something that I've really wanted to dive into, but really it's not that difficult, especially for small projects like this. So I thought I'd bring you along, show you a little bit shorter, a little bit different type of video, but I hope you enjoy. Hey, my name's Chad. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Also, I just created a Patreon campaign, so if you'd like to help me make more of these kinds of videos, please consider donating through Patreon. You can find a link in the description, as well as links to all of the products I used in this video. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.